this question relates viscosity to IMFs. We have ball bearings, identical ball bearings, placed at the top of each of these test tubes and released at the same time. This is a snapshot sometime later. Intuitively, we understand that the ball bearing is going to travel more slowly through a more viscous liquid. Viscosity is defined as resistance to flow. Stronger IMFs means the particles are stickier and therefore have a higher viscosity. Okay, the particles don't flow over top of each other quite so well. So in terms of viscosity, in terms of intermolecular forces, the 20 oil is least viscous, followed by the 30, 40, and 50 SAE oil.